Gabon, a small nation on the west coast of Central Africa, is a land of stunning contrasts and hidden treasures. Despite its rich natural beauty and cultural heritage, it is a country often overlooked by travelers. Yet beneath a veil of dense rainforest, Gabon pulsates with life, offering a sanctuary for some of the world's most unique flora and fauna. It is a country where the wild whispers secrets in your ear, inviting you to explore its depths and discover its mysteries. Gabon is a place where nature's artistry takes center stage, with landscapes that range from pristine beaches to lush rainforests and savannas. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer diversity and beauty of this hidden gem. Gabon's beauty is raw and untamed, offering a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme. It's a place where you can truly connect with the soul of Africa, experiencing the continent's natural wonders and vibrant cultures in their purest forms. Join us as we journey through some of Gabon's most breathtaking landscapes, from the misty mountains to the winding rivers, each more captivating than the last. Let the adventure begin. As we delve deeper into Gabon's natural wonders, you'll discover a land that is as enchanting as it is diverse. From the dense rainforests teeming with wildlife to the serene beaches that stretch along the Atlantic coast, Gabon offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. The people of Gabon are as warm and welcoming as the land itself. Their rich cultural heritage is evident in the vibrant festivals, traditional music, and local crafts that you will encounter. And let's not forget the cuisine. Gabonese food is a delightful fusion of African, French, and local flavors, offering a culinary adventure that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Gabon is also a leader in conservation, with a commitment to preserving its natural heritage for future generations. The country's national parks and protected areas are a testament to this dedication, providing a haven for wildlife and a paradise for eco-tourists. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Gabon has something to offer. So come with us and discover the hidden gem of natural wonders that is Gabon. Let its beauty and tranquility wash over you and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Gabon is waiting to be explored. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the secrets of this remarkable land. Gabon is a country of remarkable diversity. Its landscapes are a tapestry of dense rainforests, pristine beaches, and powerful rivers. Imagine soaring waterfalls cascading into crystal-clear pools. Picture vast savannas teeming with wildlife. In Gabon, the boundaries between land and water blur. Mangrove forests rise from the edge of the sea, their roots forming a tangled maze. Lagoons shimmer under the equatorial sun. Everywhere you look, Gabon offers a feast for the senses. Our first journey takes us deep into the heart of Gabon, a land where the modern world feels like a distant memory. We arrive at Loango National Park, a place where time seems to stand still. The forest whispers ancient stories, tales of a world untouched by the hands of time. Elephants roam freely here, their footsteps echoing through the trees like a heartbeat of the forest. These majestic creatures have called this place home for centuries, living in harmony with the land. Loango is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to see why. The park's landscapes are a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature, with rolling hills, dense forests, and vast savannas. This park is a refuge for endangered gorillas and chimpanzees. These primates, with their expressive eyes and complex social structures, remind us of our own connection to the natural world. It is also home to over 400 species of birds. From the vibrant plumage of the African grey parrot to the melodic calls of the forest robin, the avian life here is as diverse as it is enchanting. Hiking trails wind through the forest, offering glimpses of waterfalls and hidden clearings. Each step on these trails is a journey into the heart of nature, where every leaf and stone has a story to tell. To stand in Loango is to be humbled by the sheer power and majesty of nature. The towering trees, the symphony of wildlife, and the timeless beauty of the landscape all serve as a reminder of the world as it once was, and as it still is in this hidden corner of the earth. Even the forest floor is teeming with life. Insects and small creatures scurry about, playing their part in the intricate web of life that sustains this ecosystem. As the sun sets over Loango, the forest is bathed in golden hues. The day comes to a close, but the magic of this place lingers, a timeless reminder of the beauty and wonder of our natural world. Under the night sky, the stars twinkle above the forest, casting a gentle glow over the landscape. It's a serene and peaceful end to a day spent in one of the most beautiful places on Earth. As we sit by the campfire reflecting on the day's journey, we are reminded of the importance of preserving such places. Loango National Park is not just a sanctuary for wildlife, but a sanctuary for the soul, a place where time truly stands still. Next, we venture to Loango National Park, a place of exceptional beauty. Nestled in the heart of Gabon, this park is a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Spanning over 3,000 square kilometers, Loango is a treasure trove of biodiversity and natural wonders. Here, the Loango River cuts through the rainforest, creating a symphony of sound and motion. The river's gentle flow and occasional rapids provide a soothing soundtrack to the vibrant life that thrives along its banks. As you follow the river's path, you'll encounter a myriad of flora and fauna, each contributing to the park's rich tapestry of life. The park is famous for its Loango Bay, a collection of naturally eroding rock formations that resemble human faces. These geological wonders have been sculpted by the elements over millennia, creating a landscape that is both eerie and awe-inspiring. The formations stand as silent sentinels, watching over the forest and its inhabitants. These formations are sacred to the local people. For generations, they have been a place of worship and reverence. The local communities believe that the rocks are inhabited by spirits, and they often come here to perform rituals and seek guidance from their ancestors. They believe the rocks are inhabited by spirits. This spiritual connection adds a layer of mystique to the already enchanting landscape. Visitors are often struck by the sense of peace and tranquility that pervades the area, as if the spirits themselves are welcoming them to this sacred space. Loango is also home to a variety of primates, including mandrills and black colobus monkeys. These intelligent and social animals can often be seen swinging through the trees or foraging on the forest floor. Their presence is a testament to the park's thriving ecosystem and the importance of conservation efforts in preserving such habitats. A visit to Loango is a journey into a world untouched by time. The park's pristine nature offers a glimpse into what the world might have looked like before human intervention. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the modern world and reconnect with the natural one. Whether you're exploring the dense forests, listening to the symphony of the river, or marveling at the sacred rock formations, Loango National Park promises an experience that is both humbling and exhilarating. Section 5. Loango National Park, a haven for birdlife. Our journey continues to Loango National Park, a haven for birdlife. Located just outside the capital city of Libreville, Loango offers a unique blend of nature and urban life. The park encompasses mangroves, beaches and forests, providing a sanctuary for over 200 species of birds. Visitors can witness the spectacle of thousands of migratory birds arriving from Europe and Asia. Loango is a reminder that even in the midst of bustling cities, nature finds a way to thrive. Section 6. Pongara National Park, where the city meets the sea. Just south of Libreville lies Pongara National Park, a place where the city meets the sea. Here, golden beaches give way to dense forests, offering a haven for both wildlife and city dwellers seeking respite. Leatherback turtles lumber ashore to lay their eggs. Dolphins frolic in the waves. Pongara is a reminder of the importance of protecting our coastlines. It is a place where visitors can witness the delicate balance between human activity and the natural world. Section 7. Fernand-Vaz Lagoon, a labyrinth of watery wonder. Our final destination takes us to the Fernand-Vaz Lagoon. This vast network of waterways is a world unto itself. Mangrove forests rise from the water, their tangled roots forming a labyrinth of channels and inlets. The lagoon teems with fish and other marine life. Local fishermen navigate the waterways in traditional pirogues, their nets cast wide. The Fernand-Vaz Lagoon is a reminder of the power and mystery of the natural world. Section 8. Gabon awaits your discovery. Our visual journey through Gabon's breathtaking scenery comes to an end, but the adventure doesn't have to stop here. Gabon is a country waiting to be discovered. It is a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature and reconnect with the wild spirit within. Which of Gabon's scenic wonders has captured your imagination? Is it the ancient forests of Loango, the cascading waterfalls of Loango, or the vibrant birdlife of Loango? The choice is yours. Section 9. Share the wonder. Continue the journey. Share this journey with fellow adventurers and inspire them to explore Gabon's hidden treasures. Let's spread the word about this incredible country and all it has to offer. Follow along for more breathtaking journeys into the heart of nature. The world is waiting to be discovered, one adventure at a time.